Cat.
Hi. Hi, astronaut Barbie. Yeah. So we have a spaceship. We need you to do a mission. We need you to kill the bad guys. Can you do that?
Yeah. Da, 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 da.
Okay, I'm inside, Cat. Now you can do the countdown. Okay, Barbie, are you okay?
Yeah.
Barbie, are the engines on?
Yeah.
Barbie, are you ready to fly?
Yeah.
Hey, it's almost ready. Okay, everyone, run to the bed. Run. This will be a good liftoff. Okay. Okay, engines on. We're ready to fly. Okay, Barbie. Okay, Barbie. In 3, 2, 1, you have to fly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Barbie. 3, 2, 1, fly! Oh no! Ah! Oh my goodness! Okay, I'm going to the bad guys. I'm there! She wins the fight between the monsters.
What?
Guys, do you see that spaceship? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I even see that too.
Yeah, I see that too.
Yo, I see that too. What the heck do we do?
I have an idea, guys.
We will kill the person inside.
Let's go.
Please do it.
Well, it's too late. You are going to die.
That's stupid. Bow. You take that. Get them.
Barbie,
Astronaut? Okay, that was a hard time. Let me set it there. Okay, time to go back to Earth. Engines on. See you later. Ow! It's so hard to drive this. Yes, I'm coming! Crashed! Oh no, Barbie, are you okay?
Yeah. I'll disturb the.
Phew, I got so scared. I'm happy that you're okay.
Thank you.
Yay, good job, Barbie, yay! Thank you, guys. I'm going home. It's been such a tiring day. The end. Everyone was happy and Barbie is okay. If you like this video, like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next. Bye. Say bye, cat. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, trash bag. Bye. Say bye, Elsa and Anya. Bye.
Bye, Saturday.
And say bye to the baby.
Bye, dear.